Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y36 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Firstly, open Clock app, click and click on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Then click on this plus icon at the bottom and set up an hour. When you finished, select Repeat and click on Days of the week that you wish to save. When you're ready, tap on OK. Following that, click on Alarm Sound and select the best option for you. You can click on Add New at the top and pick music from your device. Click on Spotify and log in to your account. Or select one of those melodies by tapping on the best one. Finally, click on this switcher next to Vibrate to disable or enable haptic feedback for this alarm and click on Label. Label your alarm however you want to if you want to and hit OK. Lastly, select this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can turn it off or on thanks to this switcher next to it. Edit it by tapping on it, changing wherever you want to, and tapping on the check mark again. And even delete it by holding it and clicking on Delete at the bottom. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!